Welcome back to the Mid-Year Mitch YouTube channel. In today's episode, we're celebrating the fact that we hit 3,000 subscribers on the Mid-Year Mitch YouTube channel and celebrating that this thing is a ripper. So, without further ado,
again. In the plums.
we're good. Just did my first burnout in the car and my first ever burnout. So you can see this guy. We got a pretty good burnout for distance here. This thing rips. It's definitely picking up some good speed. A couple little donuts, you know. This thing whips around like a madman. Definitely need a little bit more space in this cul-de-sac for this thing. This thing is an animal. Absolute animal. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty good distance. Although the one tire is spinning a lot harder than this other tire. Thing is a ripper. Look at this thing. Absolute unit. I see why people like to do burnouts now. Never understood it. I get it now. I get it. This car is a ripper. I don't know if I have any rubber on the quarter panel or not. No. No. These tires are pretty sticky too. So I'm sure now they're real sticky now. Now they're warmed up. Now it's ready to rip. But this thing is a freaking ripper. So thanks again, guys, for 3,000 subscribers. A lot more content coming out. Hope to be able to take this thing out to a track, let this thing rip now that we're starting to break it in. I'm proud of this car. So if you guys are new to the YouTube channel, this is the Misfit Split. This is the car I built from 30 different cars because I have another split window that's in really nice shape and I don't want to abuse that car. So I built this car for the sole purpose of abusing it. So we had a lot of fun thrashing this thing around. The tires are really sticky, so it's kind of hard to get them to spin and just keep on spinning whenever you're standing still. I just wanted to hook up. So I definitely need to get a cheap set of smoker tires, which that would be a lot of fun. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video anyways. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I have a lot more stuff coming up on this car that you're not going to want to miss. So I'll catch you guys later.